Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. And if you're looking for a simple, stress-free way to start earning passive income, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be showing you how you can leverage tools like ChatGPT and other AI platforms to help you create a consistent income stream. Now, this method is going to be beginner-friendly, completely free to start, and does not require any prior experience. Just follow along, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, Castify AI, and this is where I'll be dropping the latest tools, tips, and step-by-step guides to help you crush your passive income goals. It's going to be packed with free resources and actionable content just waiting for you to dive in. So now you might be asking yourself, what makes this system so amazing? Well, you don't have to deal with any of the usual headaches like customer service, inventory management, or even any type of fulfillment. Instead, you'll be focusing on being able to drive traffic to specific links, and I'll be guiding you through exactly how to make that work. To make things even simpler, I've created a free step-by-step guide that breaks everything down into easy-to-follow instructions. Inside, you'll find a list of over 400 different AI tools and services you can start promoting, plus detailed steps on how to sign up for all of them. To grab your free guide, just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. For even more in-depth guidance, visit my website, castifyai.com, and click the Grab Free Checklist and Trial. And from here, you'll enter in your name and your email address, and the guide will go straight to your inbox. Otherwise, right below this video, you'll be able to see all the links to what we'll be discussing today. Now, this checklist that you're going to be receiving is designed with beginners in mind. So to get started, I'll be answering frequently asked questions to help you feel confident from the get-go. And then from there, I'll walk you through every step to start promoting tools and earning commissions without any of the upfront costs or complicated processes. If you're ready to take action and build a steady passive income stream, stick around and let's jump in and get started. Now, again, if you're new to the channel and you're new to this entire process, what I would definitely suggest you doing is starting by watching the stream here to see exactly how this process works. And then from there, essentially just going down this checklist, and there's going to be a ton of tutorials that you can go through in order to ensure that you can get everything up and running for you to be able to start making passive income. Now, if you have a lot of this up and running and you're now in the process of wanting to create that passive income, what we're going to want to do is go into this 400 plus AI tools. And this is where you're going to be able to create all of the different accounts in order for you to be able to start making passive income. So for today, what we're actually going to be focusing on is going to be Spotter Studio. Now, the reason we're actually starting out here is because this is a really awesome AI YouTube research tool that essentially scans all of YouTube and provides you with the best content that you can start emulating yourself. So to get started, what we're actually going to want to do is once you either click on the link inside of the checklist or at the bottom of this video, is creating your free trial. And once you do that, it's going to have you sign up with Google. Make sure that it's the one that's connected to your YouTube channel in order for it to be able to start brainstorming and researching ideas based off of the type of content it is that you create, so that way it can figure out your style. So once you sign up with Google, it's going to take you right into the dashboard. And inside of this dashboard, you're actually going to be able to start noticing the recent outliers from the creators you follow. So you're no longer having to go onto YouTube, type in, how to make money with ChatGPT or how to make money with AI and see what the top trending YouTube content is. What you're actually going to be able to do is see all of that information in one spot. So what we'll do is click on the Trend Spotter. And what the Trend Spotter does is this is where it takes all of that information and puts it into this one platform. So what we'll go ahead and do is click on all of YouTube, and we will remove the upload dates. Once we've done that, just like how we've searched for how to make money with AI or how to make money with ChatGPT, we'll then actually put that inside of here and hit apply. And then as you can see, it's now going to show you what all the top content is, and how well it's performing. So as you can see, it's going to show you the outlier index and how well that video is trending. It's going to show you when it was uploaded, how many views it received within the first 7 days, how many views it's received entirely, as well as how many subscribers that this channel actually has. So again, no longer are you having to go to YouTube and try and do all of that research and spend hours on hours on doing that. it's ultimately going to bring it into one spot. Once you find the type of content it is that you're trying to replicate, this is where we're going to be able to utilize the ChatGPT, because you want to try and make it yourself, but still be in the same guidelines of whatever that top video is in order for your video to perform exceptionally well. So what we'll actually do, we'll take this video here for an example.
This is
And
Amazon's
once
new
we've
money.
clicked on the video, you're going to be able to take the title, open up ChatGPT, and this is where we're going to be able to create our titles for the videos that you're trying to emulate. So I can then tell ChatGPT and say, create me 5 YouTube titles similar to this. And what ChatGPT is now going to do is spit out, 5 examples or 5 YouTube titles that you can then start utilizing yourself. You can then utilize ChatGPT if, let's say, there's a title you like, but maybe you wanted to change it up a bit. You're going to be able to just take that title and say, hey, I like this, but maybe make it more catchy or whatever the case may be. So that's how you're going to be able to create your title. Now, the next step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have to create your thumbnail. So once you're inside of Spotter Studio and we go back into the trends, what we can then do is copy the image on here. And once the image is copied, we'll go back into ChatGPT and say, create me a thumbnail similar to this. Hit enter. And now ChatGPT is going to be able to help create thumbnails that you can start promoting on your YouTube channel in order for your videos to be able to stand out. So again, this is a really cool tool. So that way you're not having to spend a ton of time of trying to figure out what type of content is performing really well in order for you to be able to emulate. It's all going to be in one spot. Now, the really cool thing about this is Spotter Studio is actually giving away $25,000 to the top person or top content creator that's able to promote their product. So again, that's why I recommend utilizing Spotter Studio first as far as you being able to create passive income, because once you can do that, there's going to be other benefits that Spotter Studio is going to provide to you in order for you to potentially make more money. So that's why we were going over Spotter Studio today, but that's how you can also utilize ChatGPT in some of the AI platforms in order for you to be able to start creating passive income yourself. Again, I appreciate your guys' time, and I will look forward to speaking with you in the next video.